to send those rascals to intimidate me and my family for how many? Don't worry. I'll teach you a lesson. I will show you that you're not. Rubbish man. Stupid man. I will teach you a lesson. So you're scared. You are scared. But you were not scared when you sent those rascals to come and disrupt my father's peace. I will teach you a lesson in this village. Okay, because my father doesn't have a son. That's why you people are trying to intimidate us in this village. It will not work. Why are you running now? Why are you running? I don't even know you can be scared. Why did you feel you put them on me? I will be here till you come. Idiots. Could share everywhere. Weekend. Okay, now once I tell nobody to Ghana. I would have sent you to your early grave, idiot. But let me wait for him small. That's why you're film now. Go put it on him.
Your sweet and delicious mama.
Why don't know they come out for that market again?
Oh, what? This man, you know what's happening. I've been a story different.
Oga, did you call us here to buy market or what? I want to know.
Why on a blood they hot like this? I've been a put fire on a shop. I better give me 2 more make a shop.
I take them. How many you want first?
2. Wow! This momo is so delicious.
You can say that again.
Thank you.
This momo feels sweet past all now.
What did you just say?
Huh? I said this momo feels sweet past all now. Have you never tasted some?
This momo feels sweet past you.
All now.
All now. Look at this boy! Look at this boy! Don't worry.
What's happening?
I will still catch him and beat him from where I stopped. Don't worry. Olana, where?
Why are you behaving like a child? How can you change our custom away because of Olana?
I will never take insults from whosoever that is against Olana. Not even you. I will not me. Not even you. If you're against Olana, I will still deal with you.
They play. Let's go and sell more.
Your father they play. Your father they play. Okay, let's show.
Olana no dey smile again. If he do me, I do you. She no send you. If he cross her lane, you collect water. It shock you. No condition, make her feel.
You are back.
Yes, I'm back, Papa.
You almost gave me a heart attack. I thought something bad had happened to you.
Nothing will happen to me, Papa. Nothing.
How long has this been going on, Papa?
Has what been going on?
The rascals extorting from you all in the name of tax. How long, Papa? I am sure these are the same people that stole Mama's expensive jewelries and Hollandis.
Yes.
Papa, and you kept mute all this while. Why did you choose to die in silence, Papa? I would have killed all of them and why have you decided to die in silence when you have somebody like me, Papa? Why?
My daughter, you have been going through a lot of problems. You've had a lot of problems this while. I was only thinking that I shouldn't overload you with mine. But please, I am sorry for not telling you.
It's okay. It's okay, Papa. But I want to assure you one thing. No man born of a woman or any woman born of a woman will ever intimidate you again. Not on my watch. That will not happen. Again. I need to know everything happening around you. Please, keep me informed, Papa.
My daughter, you are just like your mother. She was as strong as a lioness.
Don't talk about her, Papa. If you talk about her, you will make me emotional. And emotions is for the weak. Enough is enough.
Open this car! Open it! Open! Yes. I want to see someone inside this car. Open the car.
You want to see the person?
Yes! Yes. Let her come out.
I would have asked why you are aggressively knocking against my car. But I just remembered that you don't have a car, let alone having a car as expensive as mine.
I am not here to talk about your car. I am here to ask you to give me the money for everything that Olanna vandalized in my bar. Yes.
I don't understand. How does that concern me?
I don't know how she got to know my involvement in this whole matter. And she came to my bar, vandalized everything, breaking all my bottles of drink and glasses.
That is none of my business.
It concerns you, Omasanogi. Yes. I am putting it to your face that you are the one that is responsible for everything that happened. You had it all planned. If not, how come she did not attack you? Tell me.
I know you are a primitive, worthless village man, but I never imagined that you could be this clueless. What made you think that I have a hand in whatever you are going through?
I am not insinuating. I am saying to you that you are the one that exposed me in this whole thing. And you are not going anywhere today until you pay me every single money for all that she damaged in my bar, or I will expose you in this village.
You will expose me. Do you know who I am? Do you have an idea of who I am? It's only a foolish man that dips his two hands inside a hole, inquisitive of what is inside. But a wise man will set fire beside the hole, waiting patiently for whatever that's inside that hole to come out.
I don't understand you. What are you saying?
What I am saying is you have dipped your two bare hands inside a snake hole, and you will not escape its venom. Emenike, I need you to tutor this man on how to talk to royalties.
Leave you, I don't have anything to do with you.
Leave you the door. Leave you the door.
Get the door.
Come.
Uncle! Hey, come back here. Oh yeah, inside. Uncle, you know. Let's say uncle, you know.
I know you're sad. I know you're not pleased to see me again. But I've come to tell you that I'm sorry about everything I did. I was engulfed in the situation. You see, in the course of investigation, I was able to see a seer who told me exactly everything that transpired between you and your sister. He revealed everything to me. I am sorry, please. From the bottom of my heart, I am deeply sorry.
He did. My sister really dealt with me. And that's because of the undiluted love I have for her and my son. That's the only reason I tolerated her for such a long time. She treated me like a slave, but it's all in the past now. And you, how could you? How could you? You threw us out for predators to devour us. Even if you don't care about me, how about my son? Did he also do something wrong? I never met that man from Adams. And you of all people would have made excuses for me, knowing fully well my sister is doing everything possible to chase me out of the house. Anna, Ije love, Ekubo begi, una chupwai. It's alright, no problem.
Listen, I know you did everything you did because you were scared of revealing whatever you guys did.
Yes, we took a blood oath. I swore never to reveal the real truth.
And I'm aware. Listen, but can I tell you that the oath was actually meant to threaten you? Yes! Even if you had gone ahead to spill the truth, there's nothing that's going to happen to you. I am telling you that I know the story from the bottom of it till the top of it, till the date we're standing here.
If I had revealed the truth, I wouldn't have died.
You will not die. It was one of her acts, one of her evil ways to shred and cover her dealings.
Chineke, now you are fake oath.
It is.
This girl are going to come in different ways. I don't know what I've done to Zarachi. Eh? She's been so mean to me. Still mean to me. For no reason. And I love her. I love her so much.
All along, life has not been the same. Ever since you left my house, life has really not been the same. You know, something impacted the moment you left my house.
Yeah.
And I wish to use this medium to let you know that I can't go on this life without you. Please. I can't live this life without you. Please come with me. I would like to make you the queen of Ondiago Kingdom.
Listen,
please.
You want to make who the queen? Nah, my sister. Are you mad? No matter what Zirachi have done, she's my blood sister. I would not and I would never have anything to do with you. Hey, shut up and leave. Ozgo. I called you name is Ozgo. Asana, Biko. Biko! Please leave. I don't want to be violent. If I go inside and come out, a man like you. If I go inside and come out, you won't like it. Please leave. I am not going. I said leave. Please leave. I mean, see, I don't want to be disrespectful. Oga, please move. Out. Oga, out. Biko. Out. Don't come here next time to tell me nonsense. What do you know about love? You know about love and you throw I and my son to the streets for predators to devour us. In a love. You lack humanity. You need love. Rubbish.
What's going on?
Father.
I just heard you shouting.
No. I was joking with one of my friends. I was joking. It's just a joke. Yes, it's just a joke. Rafa, it's a lie. Shut up. Who asked you?
Will you stop harassing?
Don't say what you did not ask you. You know mommy knows. Oh, Father, don't worry, I'm fine. Hey, Father, let me help you and break that firewood. Come. I then assume maybe something.
Please.
Stupid people everywhere.
What is the update?
The prince was seen driving into Mr. Hajini's compound, but he was chased by Olanna with a gun.
What did Prince Meremeze of Ndako Kingdom go to do at Olanna's compound?
From my investigations, he went there to beg her to marry him. Yes.
That will be over my dead body. Over my dead body. Obiora, you have done well. But I need you to do me one last favor.
When as much as money is involved, consider it done.
I will pay you the sum of 500,000 naira for you to burn, set ablaze Mr. Hyginus, Olanna, and Afabifuna.
You know what?
You will stand there and make sure that none of them makes it out alive. Burn it down.
Sarachi, you know what I can do once money is involved? Even if it's the whole community, I will do that. Consider it done.
You will get your balance when the job is done.
It's alright.
All I know the smile again. If you do me, I do you.
Hey! Come! If you move this back, I'll move. Stop it!
Ichiru, what is wrong with you? Wait. Do you want us to do your funeral? You go burn our pants. What is it now? You go walk party, General Express. I wouldn't want to kill you, Makeba, my guy. What is it? What is your problem?
Olanna, I should be asking you this question. What is the problem? This is not the Olanna that I know. What changed you?
A lot changed me. Something happened to me, and I realized that the only way to survive in this village is to bring back the old me I buried long time ago. Nobody will intimidate me again now. Okay? I won't let that happen. So what is it? Because I know what I for.
Olanna, mo. Whatsoever it is, you know you can confide in me. Talk to me.
Please, let's go.
I will make a mend down for you.
Make you mend who? Mama? Mend me. You, Kosi Sochuku. I remember when you were small, wearing pampers, running around the whole village. And now you think you've grown, that you would want to mend me. Let me tell you, go home and mend your grandfather, idiot. Anyway, I am not even here because of you. Eh? I'm not here for you. Olanna. Get even Iheme. The news has been going around the whole village that Prince Meremeze of Ndako Kingdom came to your compound to ask for your hand in marriage. I am here to know why you would want to leave me and go to that pompous prince. Why?
Kenayidala. No, is there something wrong with you? Are you mad? How dare you stop me to spill such gibberish that you're saying? Is it because you're my friend? I'll just blow off your skull. See, don't you ever in your miserable life stop me to discuss such nonsense. No, idiot.
You pointed this gun at me.
You're lucky I didn't kill you.
You pointed this gun at me.
Guy, but I go to the door. Idiot.
Hey! I make a rig election of Budani. I make a rig election of Budani. It's okay. I must get to the protest. I'm going to be a member.
See, I don't love the place, you no go come out here. You don't fit. I don't change now. See, within 2 seconds, I don't burn this house. Go inside. 1, 2. Go inside. You will die here.
Jesus.
Come on, let me see you. All of you will see. You see, all of them go die there. You go die for that place. I don't change out. No movement for that. All of them go die. They don't pay me and I don't chop the money. But I go die. You will ever now. You will die. All of you will die now. Who died? Who said no? Who died? For you alive. Who asked you to come? I don't know. Who asked you to come and kill us? My baby. Who asked you to come and kill us? Please. Who asked you to come and kill us? Please. Please. Don't go stop today. Stop. Don't stand up. Don't. Stop talking. You die first before us. Now stop talking. Who asked you to do this to us? Papa. You are born in our house. I will born you first. I will born you first. Come, go and get me water. Check if there's water inside that bucket. Go and check it.
Hey! Mommy! Grandma! Come and see you! What is it? Jesus! So he would rather die than confess who sent him.
My daughter, this is more serious than we think. Hey!
Our enemy is really close. We have to be careful. Whoever that is doing this to us is not far from us.
I agree with you.
You okay, Nano?
Welcome, the Prince of Ijak. Yes. It is my pleasure to finally meet you. I don't know what I did to my daughter, Edochie. She refused to introduce both of us. And she has also forgotten that she has a father in the village. Whatever I did to her, I don't know, but she has refused to.
Prince, be careful when you will. I want to ask you something. Auntie, God design. Don't you listen? Your ears, are they for fancy? I remember vividly telling you the last time you came to this place, never to step your feet into this compound, but you wouldn't listen. In case you don't know, the last time you came, the rumor was all over the place that you came to ask for my hand in marriage. Now you're here again. When you leave, they'll start saying you have come for introduction. Now, I don't want it. Stay away from me. And like stay away from this family. Biko.
I remember the last time I came here. I came here to apologize to you about what happened in my place. I said I'm sorry about whatever happened in the past. Listen, I came here immediately I heard what happened. And leaving you here is leaving you under risk.
You mean that hoodlum? I don't know why he chose to die instead of revealing the identity of who sent him. The vigilantes have taken him. May his soul rest in peace.
Oh, Nana, I suppose you should be concerned and worried about the safety of your family. Oh, Nana, it's like you don't even understand what is on ground. Oh, Nana, if I leave you here, you're putting your entire family under risk. You're leaving yourself under risk. You're putting your father under risk. You're putting Afamefuna under risk. See, these hoodlums, you know how they operate. They have their guns and they want to take their revenge on people. You need to listen to me. Prior to my coming here, I had already made an arrangement with a friend that owned an uncompleted building somewhere. Though it's furnished, but it's a place you guys can move in for the meantime. Then subsequently, we then find a way forward.
I believe you. You're right. But the question is, where do we go to? Where do we go to? We don't have any other place apart from this place.
That is what I am saying. I had made an arrangement before this moment.
The same you that chased us out of the house.
Honor, please listen to me. I have said this before. I am sorry. I meant well. Please forgive me. My daughter, I think you did mean well. I all have to stay alive to achieve our dreams. I suggest you listen to me.
Now, don't touch me. I'll give you here. Bob ni bad luck. Guy, come. What is it?
None of you touched the food. Do you want to starve yourselves to death?
Death? Mom, what's the difference between death and locked up here like condemned criminals? Mom, is it fair?
I forbid you to talk about death again.
Mom, we need our freedom. Exactly, Mom. I'm tired of staying here all the time. Just give it to us.
I know you are tired of being in here. I am your mother, and I'm not happy myself. But I have tried to talk to your father. I've talked to him severally. He's angry. He is angry at you guys for spoiling a deal worth millions of dollars for him.
I'm very innocent. It was the both of them.
You know, shut up your mouth. Shut up! Does it matter now? It doesn't matter who is innocent and who is not innocent. What matters now is that you should please eat your food. I am very sure your father will come around soon. Please.
Mommy, We are not hungry. Stop bringing us food. You're not hungry too. Mommy, I'm very hungry. If possible, add your own portion and join me. Are you serious?
Yes, seriously?
Chloe.
Mommy, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
Ethan, please.
Your food is very sweet.
Please, I am pleading.
I'll eat your meat. I'll do it for your sake, but it's only the meat.
This is the place. Eh? This is your new house and I hope you like it. I hope you like it.
Who wouldn't? I love it.
Afam, this is a new home as well.
It's beautiful.
Regarding your property, I had already arranged for a haulage company that will convey your properties later in the day and it will be moved into the new place.
Wow. Thank you so much, my son.
Don't mention, please.
This place is even better. Let those people live for small.
Afam, I'm glad you like the place as well.
I want to appreciate you for this tremendous help. God bless you. God bless you.
I mean, you don't have to thank me. Whatever I'm doing it because I'm supposed to do so. And more so, lest I forget, sir, I'll be leaving you here alone while I move with them to my own place.
Really?
They are going back with me to my own house. Please, why are you giving me that look?
Please, can we see the house?
Oh yeah, that's true. I have some food stuff here already. Let's go check the kitchen and you see. So in case you might have to leave other things that you won't be needing in the other house. Then there's also a borehole. Wow. There's actually a borehole on the other side. Yeah.
I haven't heard any news from Obiora. Neither have I heard about the painful demise of Olana, her father, and the miserable son.
Well, that's because they are all still alive. Except for Obiora, who is dead now.
That is not possible. What happened?
Yeah, it's possible. You see, Obiora he succeeded in setting the house ablaze, putting the house on fire. But somehow Olana was able to boggle the locks and run after Obiora. Long story cut short, Obiora had to take his own life rather than expose the person who was behind the attack.
That is the best thing he has ever done in his miserable life. Had even he exposed me, I would have killed him myself. And he knows it would have been so painful and slow.
Well, that's not all. Prince Meremeze bought Olana's father a house. And then I heard he has taken Olana and her son to his kingdom to perform the marriage rites.
What did you just say?
I said that, Prince Meremeze.
If you finish that sentence, I will rip out your thong from its roots and I will give it to you to feed on. Olana. I have underestimated you, but that is the mistake I will never do.